We got big pixel news, but you know what comes first. Let's hit the intro.
Yeah. Woo.
I just need my space right now.
Fresh off the G5 jet, I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
All right, welcome back, eSIM Studios. Now, we have big pixel news. We're 2 days away from the release of the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. And as each day gets closer and closer, we're getting more leaks and more leaks. Now, really, the interesting news that came out, one of the big questions, I should say, that was remaining in regards to these devices. Now, we saw the sky blue version. If you want to take a look at that, I'll show it again, but if you want to take the initial look at it, you can check out a previous video. But the news with that one is it is a matte finish, M-A-T-T-E, not a gloss finish. It is a matte finish, so it's not going to be shiny, and which I prefer matte finish. I do. It's like my S23 Ultra, which I'm filming on. It has it's white, but it's a matte white, like it's a non-shiny color. Now, we did not know what the remaining colors were going to be. Now, chances were that if one color is a matte finish, non-shiny finish, chances are the remaining two, and now I'm talking for the Pro Series. Now, as every day unfolds, we get a little more info and a little more info. It looks like the smaller series is going to be a matte finish as well. However, we don't have the smaller version in real life photos, just the big one. However, big news today is that actually, I take that back. We got the sky blue today. So we see real life photos, and it is a matte finish. I'm going to show you. But a few days ago, it was the black. I'm sorry, I got my colors mixed up. We got confirmation a few days ago that the black Pixel 8 Pro is a matte black. Kind of like chalkboard type of look and feel. And today, we see the sky blue is a matte finish. Looks phenomenal. The only color, now I'm assuming we're going to get that tomorrow, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'll be the first to bring it to you on YouTube. I'm assuming as every day rolls on, we get another color and another color, so the only color left would be the white. But let's get into the leaks that we got today. Let me go to... and we got benchmarks. We got benchmarks as well. I forgot about that. Let me go to, let's do this. Let me open this here. Let's open it up in photos. Now, let's see. Man, I should have been ready. I should have been ready for this. Okay. So, you got me? Okay, here we go. Now, this one is the blue color. Let me make sure y'all can see. Yeah, you can see. This is the blue color. We got quite a few photos here. I wonder if there we go. Look at that. My God, that's beautiful. So this is the blue color. Now, when we get ours in, I'm going to show you and put a link in the video description of where. I know a lot of people have been asking me, because in a lot of my thumbnails, when I show the picture of the Google Pixel 8, I'll put a photoshopped Google logo emblem, the G with the colors in it. I'll add that to my thumbnails and my photos. A lot of people have been asking me, are they coming out? Is that colored Google logo going to be on the phones? No, it's not. They've never done that. However, we have always purchased. There's a company that sells just the G sticker, and it's very thin, and it stays on there for the life of the device. Of course, you can peel it off if you want to, but When we get ours, I'm going to order some stickers. I'm also going to order a sticker for the camera bar. You see how this camera bar is shiny? That's how we can tell this is also matte color, a matte finish, because the camera bar here, you see the light reflecting off of it. This is a shiny silver bar, just like on the 7 Pro. Now, we put a sticker that covers this whole bar, and it has cutouts for the flash and the thermometer here, and also the camera sensor. We're going to put a sticker here to make it a matte silver all the way across the camera bar. And then I'm also going to buy a Google logo that's going to go over this G. Stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to the channel, because when we get ours in, like I said, I'm ordering those 2 stickers to go across here. So the matte finish of the phone will match the matte finish on the camera bar. It looks really cool. We bought a silver, I believe, in the past, but you can buy different colors. I just bought a silver. I might even match the blue this time, or just leave it a matte silver that goes over the camera bar. But let's see what else we got. Now, this is interesting because I just ate the words that I just spoke. This is it looks like I just said a few minutes ago, the Pixel 8 series, the smaller series, might be a matte finish. It looks like to be incorrect, because with this photo that was literally just leaked, this is the smaller Pixel 8. So this will be the 6.1 inch, 7-inch screen. This is the small. It's about the size of the same size as the iPhone 15, a smaller one. I think the iPhone 15 Pro is 1.67 inches as well as the S23, not the Plus or the Ultra, but the base S23. This is obviously not a matte back. This is a shiny gloss finish. So it looks like these smaller Pixel 8s are going to have a glossy finish on the back, and it looks like the bigger Pixel 8 Pros are going to be the matte finish. There's a close-up of so you can tell there's the light reflecting off of the shiny camera bar, but there's no light whatsoever on the colored Victus Glass 2 on the back here. Now, here's the unboxing video that I posted earlier. This is the Pixel 8 Pro Black, and again, Pixel 8 Pro, it is the matte finish. Basic. Wow. That looks incredible. You know, it's amazing to me how much better the devices look. Just aesthetics, overall design, these devices look with a flat display. Did y'all see that? Now, with the Pixel 7 Pro, remember, the left side and the right side of the screen, it curves down to the side, which it might fit in your hand a little better, but I definitely 1000% prefer the look and feel of a flat display. It gives you more real estate. It makes it look like a bigger phone because it's the same size display, but when you have a curved display, you're missing about 10%, 5% on each side is curved. So when it's a completely flat display, you're looking at more of a display. So it looks bigger, but it's the same size. But it looks much, much better. I hope the whole curved screen thing is over. I was never a big fan of it because I used to always put tempered glass on my devices, and I couldn't with the curved display. Now you can put those stupid what are they called? Sandstone dome. I tried one, big mistake, returned it. It's trash. They're very thick too. I just put film on my curved displays. Now, with this, I'll show y'all, if y'all want to get a very, very thin glass screen protector, again, stay tuned to the channel. We're going to go all out on accessories and cases for our Pixel 8 Pros. I'll tell y'all and give you links and review everything. So let me look at this display again. So you can tell it looks like a much bigger device, even though it's the same. You get more real estate here without it curving on either side. Look at that right there. That's phenomenal. God dang, that looks nice. And that black looks good too. You know what I was telling my wife? You absolutely cannot go wrong with any color. With the matte finish on these Pixel 8 Pros, you cannot go wrong. Black looks awesome. Because what I don't like about the shiny black, the gloss black, I hate those, the way it looks. I hate the colors. It shows fingerprints. I don't want a glossy black. This, if I'm getting a black device, I want it to look like the freaking Batmobile, where it's a matte finish like this. It's not shiny. I want it to be blacked out. It looks incredible. And the other thing is, look at this. The sides are black. You know what I hate too about some devices? They'll have a black phone, a black back, but then they'll have a glossy chrome midframe that goes all the way around. Why would companies do that? If you're going to put out a black device, make the whole thing black. So the front with a black display when it's turned off, you got the black sides, and then you got the black back. It just looks freaking awesome. It looks like I don't know, like a mysterious phone. So I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with either with any one of these three colors. The sky blue looks phenomenal with the matte finish. The black looks phenomenal with this matte finish, and I can guarantee you the white is going to look badass as well. That's one thing, I like the Pixel 7 Pro, but it was a gloss white. My S23 Ultra is a white, but it's a matte finish, and it looks awesome. And it feels better too. It's not as slippery. How many of y'all have had your Pixel 7 Pro and you put it on your bed, a pillow, sheet, even your counter? I remember when I was installing a screen protector. It is so slick. It literally started sliding on my countertop without a case, with nothing, just glass on granite top or porcelain or whatever the hell it's called. It'll slide off your bed. It'll slide off of a counter. It'll slide off of a desktop. With this matte finish, it won't be as slippery. That's another good thing. I mean, that just looks classic. I wouldn't even put a colored... Actually, you know what? That might look cool. You put a colored sticker on there, a Google logo sticker. I mean, it just looks... I'm so excited for this. Wow. And now, here is the the sky blue one. Again, you got the shiny camera bar. Again, I don't like the contrast between the shiny camera bar and the matte non-shiny finish. We're going to put stickers over there to make them not shiny. And it looks good too, trust me. And then those are the unboxings. Correct. So this confirms that was the smaller glossy black, smaller Pixel 8, and the matte non-glassy, non-shiny, non-glossy Pixel 8 Pro. So we did get these in today. Just absolute, just awesome news. And tomorrow, the only one we don't have is, again, the white one. I'm assuming we're going to get that tomorrow. I'm going to stay on top of all the leaks. As soon as it comes out, I'm jumping on here and I'm putting a video out for y'all. So best believe you'll get the news here first. Make sure you turn your notifications on. So when you're in YouTube, underneath where it says subscribe, or no, just to the right of where it says subscribed, which you should already be, you'll see the little bell. Tap on the bell and then make sure you select the very top option where it says notify, because we're going to bring you, I'm very persistent on trying to be the first, and if I'm not, it'll be one of the first. So when we get new news of the white one